mean, it's working, which is so cool. Wow, what the hell? Hello. God, I'm only pressing record in case this works out and I can make a YouTube video out of it and it will help somebody else. But at this point, I'm so nervous. I've been doing some research into bleach baths. I do not want to do all of my hair. I do like having darker hair, but I wanted to look at what would it look like if I did this method. Can I put some highlights through and just remove some of this color and get like a caramel shade maybe? I don't know what this is gonna do or how it's gonna look. I don't know. I have this product, which is the L'Oreal Paris Colorista Blonde Bleach. It's an oil powdered bleach for all over lightening. I absolutely love this. I've used it before when I was blonde. It's amazing. Yup, I'm nervous. This bleach offers up to 8 level lightening powder. I also have the Head and Shoulders Clean and Balanced shampoo just to mix in with it. And for afterwards, I have my favorite toner, Silver Toner. I've been using it for years. I used to use it on my blonde hair, leave it forever and it wouldn't go purple. So I just absolutely loved this. So these are my products. I'm super nervous. We're gonna do a patch test first, obviously. If it goes to a really pretty caramel or like brown shade, I will be very stoked. And then I will just do like little highlights throughout my hair and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm sitting here. I didn't really know where to do this. I can't even find my mixing bowl. This is gonna be just really stressful. So I have this to mix it. I've obviously got all the products here. I have no brush to put it on, so I'm going to use this, a bunch of these, and I'll get some tin foil and stuff in a second. I really don't know what to do. I'm so scared. 1 part bleach powder, 1 to 2 parts developer, and 2 to 3 parts shampoo. I'm obviously just going to mix this up and then mix it with the shampoo. So, okay, so my issue will be that I have dyed my hair a million different colors. Say a million. If I'm realistic, let's say maybe 10 different colors in the last year using box dye. It's now all one color, but it's actually not. So when I look at my hair, it's lighter at my roots. Then there's like a build up of the red that I had and like a darker brown shade mixed together. So it always looks red around about here. And then my ends always lighten up to like a more, just a light, like warm toned, like golden brown is usually what it goes to. So it's an absolute mess. And I'm just intrigued to see if I was to pull a few highlights through, like what tone would they go. So I am just going to like part my hair and I'm going to just pick a test patch like that and just dye this and see what that does. I'm going to keep it away from my roots because I know that's just going to go like a real bright color. So I'm going to maybe bring it down to like here. And I'm just going to see what this does. I'm going to pick a very hidden spot. Keep this well out the way. This is going to look so sexy. Looks like I've shaved the side of my head. I'm hoping it's got build up to test it on. It doesn't really look like it. Right, now we need to mix it up. I'm really tempted to see what it looks like if I just put bleach like directly on it. Is that bad? I'm just gonna do it. This side will be the bleach bath and this side will be the straight bleach. I just know this is a bad idea. We never listen though, do we? Because we're all terrified to go admit to the hairdresser that we've messed our hair up. So we try to fix it ourselves and we end up going anyway. Add the lightening cream to the mix. When I move, I'm going to go back to my old hairdresser. Replace the applicator cap and start shaking the developer cream horizontally by rolling it in your hands. Then shake it vigorously vertically. Okay, I'm going to open it up in there. Yeah, because I knew that was going to happen. I'm just going to put it in there. These are terrible gloves. Grab some. That's all I gotta do for that side, I guess. This is not gonna look pretty because I'm just trying to keep it separate from the rest of my hair. Now what? Just put an amount in here. This was not smart. I need a hand. Taking this, I'm gonna put quite a lot in because I do want it to be quite diluted. Didn't even think about it. Set a timer, Ellie. Not easy. It's like grab my strong hand with this glove now. Okay, I'm gonna leave this and then we'll come back and check it in 20 minutes. It's time to check it. Okay, this one's 20 minutes. I did set the phone timer for 40 for this side. I just wanna open this up. It's only 20 minutes, not even half of what it suggests. I do wanna just keep an eye on everything. I mean, that's kind of cool. What the heck? Wow, what the hell? Because of my hair being previously colored blonde, it's actually lifted kind of like a ombre because it's gone Like it's darker here because it's not lifting because it's where the dye was, and then it's where my blonde was. So kind of cool. Very impressed with this because that's not an offensive colour either. So depending on how this looks in 40 minutes, I might do the rest of my hair for the 20 minutes. Interesting, interesting. Okay, well I'm going to leave that for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes starting. I am going to just have a look at this one. Interesting. Okay. And it's also lightening up. It's not as much, but I mean, it's working, which is so cool. I can't really show you that one. It's not too obvious. Okay, so just for a comparison for you, I've just pulled my hair down. So this is that bleach bath one. So it is lighter, it is very subtle. And then this is the full bleach, which is obviously a lot lighter. I don't know what to do. I didn't really have a plan if this worked. I thought it was just going to be really awful and I wouldn't bother, but I actually really like this color. Highlights it is. Okay.
I'm in the night. Let's spark a light and see where it leads. Just you and me, hiding behind the curtain. A world so uncertain coming.
Okay, it's been quite some time and it's just not lifting as much as I guess it did before. I can see that strand that we did earlier, but I'm still fine with this. Like it's at least not like really in your face, like a horrible color or anything. It looks so not lightened though. Like I'm so confused. I still think it's safe. Like I think it's a safe amount of this for now without damaging my hair and like having to deal with like orange hair maybe. I just want to check these other areas though. Is it the same lighter? What? That's still got a lot longer than the other bit to go. I'm just not sure if I leave it on a little bit longer, if I wash it out. I just don't know if it's gonna lighten much more than that, if it's just safer to take it out now. I think so. I think I'm not gonna push it. I can always do it again. Made for now, not tomorrow. So I've got these two. I've got the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm gonna shampoo it, but then I'm gonna put in the toner that I have. If this turns out into a really nice colour, I will most likely do my whole hair. Is this better light? Yeah, so you can see there. Much lighter than the other side came out. Okay, it's the next day. I have blow dried my hair and straightened it. It is so subtle, but I really like it. I'm sitting in front of my big window, so I hoped that the natural lighting would make this more obvious. But this is what it looks like. So you can see all of this is what we've dyed. You can see that it has, when I've like, it does pull through those other colors that I said, but it's so minor, like I'm not phased. I obviously didn't blend it very well up here, but I just wanted to show you this. So that is the first tester that we did with the bleach. And it's obviously come up like a really nice colour that blends in with my hair colour, luckily, because it is quite warm, but I have got like warm red tones in my hair. So yeah, I really like it. It's very subtle with a lot of these. This is just the obvious part because obviously we bleached that whole thing, but if we just look at, look at this. Like if we just look at this, like look how subtle these streaks are by doing that. Like I'm so stoked. It just pulls through nicely. I'm glad I don't have any like weird lines from not blending it properly. I'm just happy I'm not having to fix ginger hair, that I left the top layers as well so that it all like blends through and like shines through under the layers versus being streaked on top. Considering it was only $18 for that box just to get some highlights to break out my box dye color. Really happy.
It turns out I didn't do an outro, so any questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next video.